Assalamualaikum. My name is Mahin Marknivali at Rahan School on an Academy Foundation Level 1 Batch 9. Today, t- today, today I am going to share my review of very inspiring TEDx talk called The Wheel of Life by Bilal bin Saki. This talk really caught my attention because it is not only about success but also about using our ideas and abilities to make a difference in other people's lives. In this talk, Bilal bin Saki shares the journey behind the Tayyaba organization, an initiative he created to help communities facing water scarcity. He explains how many women and children in rural areas have to travel long distances is to collect water and carry heavy containers back home. This daily struggle takes a lot of their time and puts a physical burden and on them. What I found most interesting was the idea of the H2O H20 wheel, a simple but innovative solution that allows water to be transported more easily instead of carrying a heavy container on their heads and shoulders. Sorry. People can pull or roll the water using the wheel. And the idea shows that sometimes simple innovation can create a meaningful impact in people's life. Another important message of the talk is about having a growth or mind as Bilal explained. Bilal explains that our journey is not always easy. We facing we face failure, difficulties, and unaccepted obstacles. But these challenges should not stop us from moving forward. We need to believe in our purpose and continue working toward our goals. The TEDx description itself in fact, that the journey of Tayyaba is much like life. We should create our own path with a growth mindset and keep moving forward with belief, if despite obstacles. For me, the title, The Wheel of Life, has deeper meaning. A wheel keeps moving forward, and life is always also a continuous journey. Sometimes we move quickly, sometimes slowly, and sometimes we face obstacles that make the journey difficult. But what matters is that we keep moving and learn from Every experience. Another lesson I learned from this talk is that education and grades are not the only measures of success. What really matters is our mindest and or personal journey, but that does not mean they cannot achieve something meaningful. I also like that uh, uh, that Bilal connected entrepreneurship with social responsibility. Entrepreneurship is not only about making money or building a successful business. It can also be about identifying a problem, understanding people's needs, and creating a solution that improves their lives. Overall, I found the Wheel of Life to be an inspiring career start because it combines social impact, innovation, and personal growth. It reminds me that we do not always need a huge idea to make a difference. Sometimes a simple idea, when combination with strong intention and consistent effort, can change many lives. To conclude, this lecture taught me that our cir- circumstances, we do not have to define our future. We may face obstacles, but with the right mindset, determination, and diligence to help others, we can keep moving forward. Just like a wheel, life is about continuing a journey, learning from every turn, and never give up. Thank you so much for watching my review. I hope you enjoyed it, and that this talk inspiring you to think about how your own ideas and actions can make a positive if difference in someone else's life. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep moving forward. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.